Hello there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my channel. How you been doing? All cool? I hope so. So today we're going to make cheese because have you ever been there that you wanted to make pizza and then you have everything but you don't have hello cheese because it's not the easiest thing to find? Vegan cheese, depending where you live. So I here have a solution for you, my child. This is a recipe that I have been making for years and years because it is super easy to make. And taste-wise, it's super complete. It's super, it's delicious. And it's also already melted, so you don't need to worry about, oh my god, is this cheese that I bought and it cost a mini fortune is going to melt, because sometimes it doesn't. So this one already is melted. So let's jump into the recipe. So we're going to start with cashews. Those are soaked, or peanuts, or almonds, or tofu, or if you want to go nut-free, you can use sunflower seeds. It's also beautiful, okay? Along with that, you add plant-based milk, some white wine vinegar, nutritional yeast, sour starch, salt, maple syrup or agave, onion powder, oil, or if you don't want to use the sour starch, you can use tapioca starch or psyllium husks. And here we have the pre-cheese blended, and it's pretty liquidy, as you can see. And now we're going to put it in a pot for, I don't know, 5-6 minutes until it gets a little bit harder. And one thing I want to show you. I have mentioned that I use the sour starch. This is sour starch, okay? It's a flour coming from tapioca. And it has this very beautiful, very tangy taste, as the name says, sour. So this is a very proper Brazilian thing that people have been using for years and years to make a Brazilian cheese bread. And you can find it on Amazon. You can find it online on Amazon or any other Latin shop, or in your local Latino shop, okay? Because it's also common in other places, not only in Brazil, but some other places in Latin America. Now, if you don't have that and you don't want to buy it, that's all right. You can use tapioca starch, okay? It will differ a little bit in the taste, but the result is going to be the same. It's going to be stretchy. And if you don't want to use either, you can use psyllium husks. All right, so let's put it in the pot now. All right, so now we add, that's my stove. It's the metals expanding and adjusting because of the heat. Oh well. So we add it to the pot, medium, high, medium heat, okay? And then the best thing for this cheese is to use a whisk, okay? And now we're going to stir it until you see forming those lumps. Do not worry, it's gonna look like it's going wrong and you're doing something wrong, so don't worry, you're not. It's gonna be pretty lumpy, but that's gonna be all together. It's gonna come all together at the end. All right, so here it is, ready, and it looks super stretchy and super melted already. Oh, this is such a, this recipe, this cheese here is such a lifesaver. I use this to make spinach and artichoke dips. I use this to make a pizza all the time. I use these to put it on my sandwich. Sometimes I have just a little bit and then I put it on my sandwich and then I grill it. So the possibilities with this one is endless. So that's why I really wanted to share this with you guys. And now I'm gonna put it in my pizza, put my pizza in the oven, and then show you guys how it turned out. So how about this recipe? Don't you just love it? Our own meltable, stretchable, already melted, already stretched emergency cheese. Beautiful, isn't it? It can be put together in under 10 minutes, just like you guys seen it. Let me know if you ever make it. Let me know if you can get your hands on the sour starch. I highly recommend you guys to use this instead of the tapioca flour or the psyllium husks because of the taste, you know, and just to change and vary a little bit. We like those things, don't we? So I hope you like it. I hope you make it. As you can see, we've had the whole pizza already. And let me know in the comments below your favorite flavor for pizza. Mine is plain margherita pizza, and I always add a lot of onions in it because one cannot have enough onions. And this is it for today. I hope you make it. If you do, tag me on Instagram and Facebook. I just love when you guys do that. And what else I was going to say? Was that? Oh, to my patrons, thank you so much. Guys, you're awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you want to know how to become a patron, check on there. And apart from that, have a fabulous week. Take care of each other. See you next time. Bye-bye.